Hello, this is a recording for Friday, February 27th. Today's practice is titled Breathing with Trees. It is designed to reconnect with our planet's natural, harmonious energy exchange. So take a comfortable position and take a few easy, comfortable breaths in and out. And maybe you are already surrounded by trees. Maybe you are in your garden, or I positioned my phone, I hope it doesn't fall, so that you see my garden and the trees here. Or if you want to keep your eyes closed, you can imagine you're sitting among trees. In a forest, in a park, anywhere you like, where there are trees. Among the trees, become aware of your breath, your natural breath, just as it is. Notice that with each effortless inhale, you draw in fresh air and energy. And as you exhale, you release a gift for the trees, carbon dioxide. The trees happily breathe in this carbon dioxide, and in exchange, the trees breathe out oxygen, a gift for you. So just be aware of this perfect, beautiful, effortless exchange. You breathe in the gift from the trees, energizing oxygen. And you breathe out a gift for the trees. Breathing in energy, breathing out energy. Effortless. Breathing in, receiving. Breathing out, giving. All without effort. Continue to be aware of this perfect, effortless, harmonious exchange between you and the trees. For the next few moments, I'll be silent. And now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.